Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply fix the lag on NVIDIA GPU. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is click here to your NVIDIA and just go to Control Panel. When you're here, you want to click on Manage 3D Settings and Program Settings and choose the game, or just find it here if you can find it. When you have it, you want to change the CUDA GPU to use global settings, and then go to Power Management Mode and choose Prefer Maximum Performance. When you will have it, what you want to do also is to check for updates in your NVIDIA and drivers, check for updates for your driver, and then try to change in Modern Warfare, Call of Duty Warzone, optimize it for lower performance if it's going to fix the lag. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.